Come with me to the home of the baddest burgers in Pampanga. Napaka-solid ng mga yan guys. Ang laki pa ng serving. They also have pasta, pizza, and many more. Sa tuwing may dadayo ng Pampanga at hihingi sa akin ng recommendation kung saan kakain, palaging kasama sa listahan to. And medyo matagal-tagal na rin bago kami nakapagbalik, so today, samahan nyo kami ulit dito sa Dish and That. Located yan dito sa Bliss Hotel sa Lazatin Boulevard, open daily from 10 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. Very homey and comfortable yung vibe. Ang daming kumakain dito na big groups and families. And yung pinaka-trademark talaga nila dito ay yung naglalakihang gourmet burgers. This is the Inferno Blaze, which has golden onion rings, jalapenos, and that spicy sauce. And I mean, just look at the size of that thing. Isusunod natin itong all-American burger. It has lettuce, onions, tomatoes, crispy bacon, and some melted cheese. Very classic. Ito naman yung mighty mushroom melt, which is such an umami bomb. Double patty yung mga burger nila and they use brioche bun, very juicy and flavorful. Bago sa menu yung mga pizza nila, this one actually gives you a cheeseburger vibe pero on a pizza dough. It's very cheesy, it has crispy bacon and beef. The best yan guys, make sure you order this. Kung mahilig ka naman sa creamy spinach, meron din sila niyan paired with some spicy honey. It's very creamy and rich, tapos nagsuggest ako kay chef na yung spicy honey could have a little bit of tang and it will be perfect. Meron din sila nitong nagtataasan ng mga frap in different flavors. Tapos ito yung carnivore's feast platter, perfect when you're eating with a group. We have this tender, smoked, whole barbecue chicken drenched in that thick sauce, mashed burger patties with some egg and crispy onions on top, mashed potatoes, coleslaw, rice and corn in a cob. Meron ding grilled vegetables and a rack of tender glazed ribs that really fall off the bone. Grabe yung platter na yan guys. I mean, wala akong masabi. Sa salad naman, ang pinaka nagustuhan ko sa mga dressing nila ay yung roasted sesame followed by candied walnut. And just to give you more context kung gaano kalaki yung mga serving size nila, ito yung regular and big platter. Kung solo order naman ang hanap mo, wag mong palalampasin itong Loco Moco. It's like burger steak gone wild. They use the very same good quality burger patties. That mushroom gravy is so good, mixed with runny egg yolk and crispy onions. Ito naman local dish daw yan sa Guam, but it actually resembles gising-gising a lot. It has meat, string beans, coconut milk, and a little bit spicy. Pagdating naman sa pasta, this is going to give you the best cheese pool ever. It's creamy, cheesy, it has spinach and shrimp. It's very rich and savory and I think it would go so well with a squeeze of lemon o kaya Tabasco sauce. Ito naman yung seafood marinara. Kita nyo naman yung platter nila. Parang good for 6 people siya. Very classic naman yung timpla nito and this is their lasagna. It has layers of marinara sauce, beef, and cheese and I love that toasted layer on top. Hindi ito Filipino style ha, so hindi sweet yung sauce niya. Kung may kasama naman kayong kids, mag-e-enjoy sila dito sa sampler platter that has mozzarella sticks, chicken strips, and golden onion rings. Meron na rin niyang kasamang 3 dipping sauce and out of the 3, ang pinakagusto ko ay itong spicy. Pero wag ka, hindi pa tayo tapos. For dessert, we're going to have some chocolate fondue. It's served with some fresh fruits, marshmallows, meron din niyang toasted bread and some little ice cream balls, Rice Krispies, and pretzels. Once again, Dish and That has proven to me that they're definitely one of the must-try places in Pampanga at hindi ako magsasawang i-recommend to sa friends and family ko.